Assalamu alaikum. I am Amin Akhtar Hira. My ID is 172352139. I am a student of software engineering at Delhi International University. Now I am talking about my project, whose name is Online Stadium, and created by using C programming language. My project feature divided in three parts, like admin, organizer, and customer. Their work is different. Hmm, like organs can book or reserve a stadium for one or more day, but customer cannot book a stadium. They can only see a sport and concert schedule and book ticket. That program within time. So let's see all over. First of all, we will run my project. Hmm, So now we can see first page of online stadium. Now we can choose the option 1 or 2. If we press 1, then it's work for admin, and if we press 2, then it will work for client. So now as like I am admin, so I will choose a option obviously 1. So input 1. Mm, Without registration and login, admin cannot his work properly in this application by this application. So first of all, he will be do his registration. So press 1 for registration, input his name or her name, Hira, password 34, email Hira @ gmail.com, occupation. um, he is an admin, that's why he is uh, that's why he is a owner. So her occupation is a CEO. CEO. Um, her he that's why Hira is a female. So female person. So option 2 for female. Then press any key to main menu. It's mean if I want to back page, so press any key. Then obviously input 3 for login. By do this work by this application. So press 3 and input username Hira, then 1234. Okay, my login is successful, that's why it's enter its work. If we forget username or password, then we can do forget registration. So that's why we want to go back page. It's option obviously 4. So now to forget registration, name here. Suppose I forget my name username. So now what I do? Let's see. Amina, new name, password 1234, mail Amina @gmail.com, occupation CEO, male or female, to female. Then press any key to main menu, back page. For back page, press then 3 for login. Amina 1234, login successful. So now admin what he want. Suppose he want show all customers and organizers profile. So press 1. Which he want, organizers or customer? If you want organizers profile, then press 1. If you want view all organizers profile or indicated any variable or any particular part. If he want view all organizers profile, then he will be input 1. No, there is no organizers, so go back page. That's why no need source option. Now we go to back. Uh, this time admin works is sports and concert information ad and food and ticket information ad. So here will be input 2 for sports and concert information ad. So what he want, sports or concert? If you want sport, then press 1. Here 4 option: sports ad, information ad, to update sports information, 3 source any sports information, 4 delete any sports information. Then he will be select his word, add or update or source or delete. If he want to add, then press 1. Here ID means month and date together. So number of month and date, um, number of month 3 and date 12. So date 12, month 3, day. It's a Saturday. Uh, then sports team of Bangladesh vs India. And sports place Shere Bangla Stadium. Okay, then we want to press any key for go back. Then we want to update to here 312 ID. I want to update. So press 312. Then which uh, which item I want to update. If press 1, then date will be updated. If press 2, then month will be updated. If press 3, then day will be updated. If press 4, then must be team will be updated. If press 5, then must be sports place will be updated. Suppose I want to update 1 or team, suppose. So for Bangladesh vs India. Now I want to input Bangladesh vs Pakistan. So now our update is work is finished. So go to back page and want to search 3, press 3. Which ID I want to search? Here show ID. This ID. From this ID I want to search. Suppose here 190, so I want to search this ID 212. So here is here you see that previous team Bangladesh vs Pakistan, but now Bangladesh vs uh, in previous team Bangladesh vs India, but now update team was update team Bangladesh vs Pakistan. So it's update. So go to back page, and if you want to delete for uh, before delete I want to add, because if I delete uh, that ID will be deleted. There have no sports information, so that's why I want to add for delete. So press 1 and again add, like, 4 month, one one date 1, 4 month, sports day, Friday, and sports team, um, Bangladesh vs Australia. Place, বঙ্গবন্ধু বঙ্গবন্ধু stadium. Go to back page, and now I want to see delete. It's a work. Yes, it's a work. Then we'll input 4. There are two ID, and which ID I want to delete. Suppose 312. So press 312, delete, and go to back page. Now you will be make sure that your ID was deleted. So you want to press 3. Here you can see only one ID. 212 ID delete was deleted. So you want to see for 1 there is information, and 212 ID is deleted. So go to back page and go to again back page, because here work is finished, and here I can select which, and that's some sports work finished. That's why I can select 2 for concert. Here same rules, same norms, but I want to see you what it's how it works. So 1, the month and date as like, um 10 the month and date 3, 3 date 10 month, and it's like Tuesday, and artist name Imran, and concert place, Dhanmondi Stadium. Dhanmondi Stadium. Go to back page. Again input for delete option. So month 12, 1 month and 2 date. So date 2, and first month 1, and concert day. It's like Wednesday. Wednesday. And his name Kona, and place, Kola Bagan Stadium. Bagan Stadium. Go to back page, and you want to update, then press 2, and which one to update. You if you think 12 ID you will be update, so press 12, input 12, and which one to update. Here one date you will be update, so press 1 and update your date, like, here 2, and you want to fifth date, fifth date is update, and so date is equal to 5. So your date update, and press any key to main menu for go to back page. So here will be here will be want to source any concert information. So 3, press 3, and you want to which you want to show. So you press or input 12. You can see the information, then go to back page, and which one to delete. So that's why I press 4, and which one to delete, as like 12 ID. So your ID is delete, and press any key to main menu, go back page, and if you want to back again back page, so press 5, and if you want to food and ticket info add, so because it's the admin work, so you can add. So input 3, and which one to add, ticket file or food file. So you want to add ticket file. Again, same as like concert and sport. So previous you see that how it's work. So now again I show you how it's work. So press 1 for add, and this time IDs get and sit. So get now number 1 and seat number 13. So get number 1 and block A, row B, and seat number 13, and price 150. So press any key to menu, go back page. So now you want to see a delete option. So again you add for delete, press 1 and you input ID. So 2 number get and seat number uh, 14. So get number 2 and block number C and row number D and seat number 14, and this price is 250 taka. And press any key to main menu or go back page. So press any key and you want to search input 3. Now you search with by ID. So here you see two ID and you want to search by this. So 113 you will search. So input 113 and press. So here all information you see, and go to back page. So press any key. So press, and you want to delete phone number. um, so you want to 113 ID is delete. So input 113, automatically your ID delete, and press go to back. Now your work is finished for ticket file, and go to back page, food file. So two, same as like one, food ID 1, category Bengali, food name Panta, price 50. Then go back, then again 1 for H, 2 ID, category drinks. Okay, food name Coca-Cola, food price 20. Then you want to update, press 2, and all food ID from files of uh, search like 1, which you update 1 Bengali. If you think it's Bengali mistake, so you want to input Bengali double I. So update, it's update, and you want to search input 3 and press. You want to see 1 because it's update. So here you see that category is update. So now you want to delete input 4 and press. So you want to delete ID 1. So input 1 and your ID is delete. So now you can you want to see, so press 3. Here you can see that number 1 was deleted. So press 2 and see all information in 2 and back page. So go to back page, and all over work is finished for admin. Now admin work is finished, that's why you want to work organizer or customer, so you go to first phase. So 3 page back and 4 again back, 4 again back. So now it's first phase of this project or online stadium. So now you select for client. Now you client. So set to. Now I am thinking that what I am, organizers or customer. Suppose now I think I am an organizer. So press 1. As like admin without registration and login, you cannot do any work by this application. So press 1 for registration. Input 1. Now I input 1. Name, password, email, gmail.com, occupation, and you gender female. So now you want to log in. Mira 1234. Now you check first of all stadium info because you want to book stadium for a day or more day. So first of all you check stadium info. Which day you want to book, that day any program will was at. So first of all you check stadium info 1. Here you see that concert ID and sports info. So go to back page and book which for sports or concert. 1 for sports. Name, date, 2 month 9, sports day, Monday, sports team Bangladesh vs Pakistan, and Chittagong Stadium. So now you want to concert, so press 2 here as like sports. So press 1 and 5th month and concert day, Friday. Artist name Imran. Place Kolabagan Stadium. So as like organizers work is finished. So now you want to go to first race. So press 3 and go to back home. Go to back home 4. So now this time you as like a customer. So your work is like your all work is for customer. So now you input 2. Here here you can see that 1 for new customer and 2 for registered customer, but now you cannot registration, so that's why you not registered customer, you like as new customer. So press 1, input 1. Now you want to registration, so press 1 and name, password, email, occupation, gender. Go to back page and you want to say that concert information, then press 2, and you want to sports information, then press 3, then go to back page, and now you are a registered customer, so go to back page, press 5. So you are a registered customer, so press 2 and like login. So data. So go to now, you see that constant information like one, and go to back page, and you want to see sports information, press 2, see that sports information. Now go to back page and you want to book, so press 3. Here is 280, 13 and 214. So now input your name, age 20, occupation student, seat ID. If you want to 14, so to female, and again to 14. Thanks, your booking successful. And now you want to buy food, then press, input your name, age, occupation, ID, food ID, 2, gender, male or female, you press 2 for female, again input food ID 2. Your booking was successful. Now your as a customer, your work is finished, and go to back page, so 5, back home. It's all about my project, as like admin, as like customer, as like organizer. I divided my project in client to part, organizer and customer divided into part, new customer and registered customer. So all over it. Thank you, and thanks your patient. Assalamu alaikum.